Alrighty guys, what's going on today? Today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the GoWISE USA 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. This thing is pretty cool. Check it out. We just got this for our place. Basically, it's a great alternative to regularly frying things. You can pretty much make anything inside here, crispy fried chicken, french fries, pizza, really whatever your little heart desires. And the cool thing about it is you don't need to use oil, little to no oil. But we haven't ever used oil on it, and it cooks things really, really well, fries things. And it works instead with rapid air circulation on the inside. So that's essentially what's going to be frying things. So it's very, very interesting. It's a very, very new age piece of cookware. But yeah, it's really, really cool at that. As for the look and build, obviously you can see it's very, very sleek looking, very, very modern looking. It's got a nice black and stainless steel look on top. Matches a lot of things in our place, which is really nice. You have the touchscreen, which is on front, as you can see right here. This will kind of give you just kind of the lowdown of everything on here. Obviously you have the temperature right here, timer right here. You have an array of buttons to start it, to turn it off, whenever you have your timer as well. And then you have 8 cooking presets which are built around. Ooh. So obviously, yeah, you see you have like steak, chicken, pizza, cake, shrimp, french fries, etc. So, you know, kind of takes the guesswork out of cooking a lot of these things, which is cool. You can cook anywhere between, I think it's 180 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's pretty wide range. It is in 10-degree increments. That is one thing you have to keep in mind. So it's not going to be totally exact, but yeah. You know, pretty wide range, and then you can also cook up to 30 minutes inside of here, which, you know, when frying things, it's a long time. You can pretty much get things done very, very quickly, under 10 minutes easily. They also have a 2-point-something quart one, 2.75 maybe quart one. We got the bigger one. Again, this is a 5.8. Always hosting people. So I figured, you know, having one that can, you know, maybe cook larger meals for more people, you know, would just be better. Also, if you have maybe a larger family, this one would probably be pretty ideal. Also, just because on the inside in there, you can see kind of how big it is, little hand reference. You know, so yeah, you can get a pretty good sized meal going in this thing, which is, you know, which makes it perfect for bigger families, bigger households. You can also change the temperature in the middle of cooking, which is great. With the start and stop button, that's nice. There's an alarm that you can set to go off right here with the alarm button every 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Essentially what that's telling you is that you need to shake your ingredients around, because, you know, you want the air to kind of cook them evenly and thoroughly and all that jazz. So you will need to do that. The pan inside is a non-stick pan. I'll pull this out one more time. The pan inside is a non-stick pan. It's very, very nice, actually. Very sleek. Kind of matches everything going on in here. It's totally FDA certified as well. The basket is detachable, which just makes it very, very easy to clean, very easy to serve with. And then you also have, what they really love is they put this little button protector here. This is basically when you press this button, that's what's going to detach the basket. I like that they put the little plastic covering, so when you're carrying it, you don't accidentally detach it. You know, and spilling hot food and hot pan all over yourself or the floor. That would not be the good move. So it's nice to put this little protective measure here. And then the handle is also very sleek as well. So, you know, nice, good grip on it. Yeah, that's pretty much this thing. It's very, very new age again. It's interesting, but I'm really looking forward to using it more. It also comes with a little recipe book, and it's really nice because we really had no idea what we were getting into when we bought this thing. But used it a couple times, made some sweet potato fries, made a little bit of fried chicken, and looking forward to seeing what else we can do with it. But yeah, again, this is the air fryer by GoWISE USA 5.8 quarts, and yeah, highly recommend checking it out if you're into new new style cooking. Alrighty, take it easy.